So I just received a package from Amazon this morning. It just came in. So I have two small packages here. So we'll see what's inside. So let's start with this. So let's start with this one. There you go. Voila. So we have this. It's a multifunctional holder. Okay. So that's what's inside this pouch. So let's put this aside. Let's do this one. So we have this. This is Olansi celphone tripod mount. Okay, so we'll place this on the table and we'll see how it looks like. So we have this two small box containing these small items. So I already have this two small stuff here that just came out of the two pouch. So we can start examining this one. What is this for? Let's try to open it up and see what's inside. Oha! It's Ulansi. Okay. So pretty much this is a cell phone holder. Okay, we'll put this aside and we'll see the second box. So another, okay, so what happened is this is actually a multifunctional tablet holder. So basically we have this warranty and thank you card. Voila, so what's this is all about? So we have now these two stuff. Put this aside and we'll see how this is going to be used. Okay, so we have this one. So this is actually a cell phone holder. Let's see how to use this one. Okay. So it's adjustable actually. So that's how it looks like. Yeah. So in the side view it looks like this. Or maybe there's another way to use this one. How come? It's very hard to adjust. Just look like that. Wow, so this is made of metal, some kind of maybe some kind of brass or aluminum. It's very sturdy. Looks like this yeah, it's very strong. So it looks like that when it's folded. So that's about this one. We're going to come back to this later. We'll examine the second stuff. This one. So it's okay. So how to open this one? Okay, so for this one, there's a button here. I'm going to push it. You know, I can adjust the width of this cell phone holder. So I can just put this one here. It's just the width of this one. Push the button, and then now I can adjust it like that. There you have it. Okay, so this one will be attached to the cold shoe, and I can now put this on a tripod. So going back to this one, this is used to hold the cell phone on a table. So if you want to have something to hold your cell phone while you are watching a movie on your cell phone, then you can just use this one. So this is the side view of this cell phone holder. So basically you can adjust it, the angle, to any angle you want. Put it here. Voila, now you have a cell phone holder. You can watch your favorite show. Then you can even use it's big enough for this Huawei iPad, Huawei Notepad. So basically, it's very nice. Okay, so we have this and where's the small one? This guy. So basically this is how I'm going to use this cell phone holder, and I'm going to put this on a tripod. Okay, so this is my setup. So this is my cell phone holder. I already put it to my regular tripod, which is a bigger tripod I use for my cameras, big camera, so it's more stable as compared when I'm going to use the tripod for this the standard tripod for the cell phone. And for this notepad holder, that's how it looks like in the side view. It's very nice, very stable. So this is made of actually aluminum. Actually it's not I think this is made of it's made of brass. As you can see, it's very strong. It's not just perfect for my notepad. So it's quite nice. Yeah, so that's basically it. And thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for my incoming new gadgets unboxing.